Hey guys, I'm H15 and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download Snap Homework on PC. So first of all you need to go to snapworks.me slash download slash window slash. So I'll keep the link in the description. After it loads, click on VC Redis x86 to download it, and then of course download snap zoom installer.exe. After all that is installed, just wait for it. Wait and click on it. Click yes, then click next, and then click next. Then it will install. You can close your browser. It will take some time to install, and then you can click on launch snap zoom and then finish. So you can only join with only join with your login ID and password, and also you can only join Zoom meetings or meetings through this. So I'll just log in. So it's logged in and I can go here and click on join class. So right now I don't have a class right now, so I can't show you how to join. So and that's it guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then like this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Goodbye.